Hi everyone, and welcome to DH Landscape Solution. Today I'm here to share how we can help you transform and maintain your outdoor space into a beautiful, green, and welcoming environment. At DH Landscape Solution, we specialize in landscape, consulting, garden care, and lawn maintenance. Everything you need to keep your yard healthy and vibrant. If you are looking a professional team to bring life back to your garden or keep it in top shape, stick around. I will walk you through what we offer and how we can make your outdoor space shine. So, who we are and what we do. At DH Landscape Solution, we focus keeping your outdoor space green, clean, and healthy. Here's what we specialize in. Unsure which plants are best for your garden? We provide expert advice on choosing the right plants that thrive in your specific environment. Whether it's shrubs, flowers, or trees, we will help you create a balanced, beautiful garden that's easy to maintain. If your yard feels overgrown or cluttered, our team is here to clean it up and give it a fresh start. We will remove weeds, dead plants, and debris, leaving you with a tidy and inviting outdoor space. A healthy green lawn is the heart of outdoor space, and we know how to keep it lush and vibrant. From mowing to fertilizing, we will ensure your grass stays in perfect condition year-round. Neat, well-trimmed hedges can transform your yard's appearance. Sustainability is focused. We prioritize eco-friendly practice, using technicals and tools that are safe. Our team is skilled at shaping and maintaining hedges to enhance your garden structure and appeal. So, why choose DH Landscape Solution? Here is why our client trusts us with the gardens. Tailored advice and service. Every garden is unique, and we provide personalized solutions to meet your specific needs. Professional and reliable. With years of experience in garden care, we know how to deliver top-notch results you can count on for the environment while keeping your garden beautiful. Fourth, ongoing maintenance plans. Whether you need a one-time cleanup or regular care, we offer flexible options to keep your garden looking its best. So, what you will gain by working with us? When you choose DH Landscape Solution, you are investing in a beautiful outdoor space. Say goodbye to cluttered jars and overgrowing plants. Your garden will look fresh and welcoming. Peace of mind. Let us handle the hard work while you sleep by and enjoy your yard. Healthier plants and lawn. With our care, your greenery will thrive, creating a relaxed environment for you and your family. So to celebrate the season, we are offering a free plant health consultation for all new clients. Want to know how to bring out the best in your garden? This is the perfect chance to get professional advice, completely free. So, are you ready to transform your yard with DH Landscape Solution? Contact us today to schedule your consultation. Visit our website to learn more about our service and special offers. Let's work together to create the garden of your dreams, a space that's green, clean, and full of life. Thank you for considering DH Landscape Solution. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips and updates. We are excited to help you make your yard the best it can be.